Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a full tour of my entire skincare collection from Drunk Elephant to Bubble to Glow Recipe to Byoma. Everything's going to be in today's video, so if you haven't already, like and subscribe and comment down below to be entered in a Lululemon giveaway. I will be announcing that winner at 90,000 subscribers, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. I'm going to be starting off first with Glow Recipe. I'm going to have these organized in different brands, so stay tuned to see your favorite brand and comment down below what your favorite skincare brand is. Let's get into it. First with Glow Recipe, we have their Blur Drops. This is the Strawberry Blur Drops. Then we have their Mama and Baby Watermelon Toner. I don't really like this, but can we just give a round of applause for this absolutely amazing packaging? Like, mwah. Next, we have a mini version of the Plum Plumping Hydrating Moisturizer, and then we have the Plum Plumping Hydrating Lip Gloss. This is one of my favorite lip glosses. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. However, I wish they'd give me a little spatula like Laneige does, because I don't really like dipping my fingers in there. I have not tried their Plum Moisturizer though, so stay tuned for a short review on that. I cannot wait. Next, I have my little collection of their Dewdrops. I have the Ordinary Dewdrops right here. This is their Watermelon Dewdrops. I'm obsessed with these. However, the little spout on the Dewdrops doesn't get all of the product out. Next, we have the Mama and Baby size of the Hue Drops. Look at this. These are absolutely amazing. In my opinion, way better than the Drunk Elephant Bronzing Drops. Next, we have this Blueberry Cleanser. This is their Gentle Cleanser. It's in the mini size, and I haven't tried it out yet. I'm very excited. Guava Brightening Eye Cream. I use this on days that, like, I've had, like, a puffy night, and so my eyes are really puffy, like, if I don't get enough sleep or stuff like that. So I really love this. It's absolutely amazing. Plus, the ombre packaging is, like, my favorite. Let's give up for the Glow Recipe Cloudberry little collection here. We have the Cloudberry Toner. This is their Essence Toner, and this is my favorite. Look, you can see about right here. I've almost used all of it, and I need to go get a restock. Next, we have their newest product. This is their moisturizing cream. I am absolutely obsessed with this. So amazing, so gorgeous. By the way, it's a refillable, so props to them. Okay, starting off our Laneige collection, we have their Water Bank Sleeping Mask. I love this. Then going into our next sleeping masks. These are my two sleeping masks. We have the regular berry one. This is their classic, by the way, so if you haven't tried this one out, you need to. Then we have one of their popular swirls. This is the Cotton Candy, and this smells like heaven. I definitely recommend this one. And from the Laneige, I got their Bouncy and Firm set. Look at this. It is so cute. This packaging with the bag. Such a cute bag. Oh my gosh. That's with the bag. And what came in this was a mini little lip treatment sleeping mask from Bouncy and Firm. Love that. And my favorite Bouncy and Firm product. This is their Under Eye Gel. This is so amazing. Cocoa lip mask. Then we have their apple lime lip mask. I've never heard of this. I've heard of the candy apple one though, and I haven't tried that yet. I'm excited. Then we have their grapefruit sleeping mask. Now this was an old set, so I don't know how many of these scents are like still here today, but comment down below if you have that set. We have the mini minis. I got this out of their little Daydream set. I'll have a picture of it on the screen right here. First we have my favorite Laneige lip sleeping mask, like in the history of the whole wide world. This is their Laneige Candy Sleeping Mask. I really want to get a glowy balm in that one. We have their limited edition peach iced tea flavor and scent. I don't know if they're flavored, just scents though, guys. Then we have their mango. Then we have the classic berry. I have 3 of these berries because, like, it's the legit iconic flavor and scent from Laneige. So 2 of the Gummy Bear Lip Glowy Balms. This is a refill. My other one's on my keychain and it's literally almost gone. Crying, I know, right? Then I have my Mango. I love this color so much on my lips, especially with my lip combo. So I absolutely had to get one of these. It's crazy to think about how much skincare I actually have. Now we're gonna get into Bubble, which takes up a full section of this 3-tiered cart. So this is gonna be wild. Comment down below your favorite Laneige product and let's get into the Bubble section. Okay, starting off with my favorite Bubble product, this is just the amount of Slam Dunk products I have. I have like every single type size of the Slam Dunk you can get. Okay, then I have my mini Cloud Surf Moisturizer. I love this, and literally if Slam Dunk wasn't a thing, this would be my next best. Got this out of their little ornament kit that also came with their new mint lip balm. Look at that. It is so gorgeous, and I actually really like their lip balms. They're really affordable, but like it's nothing special. Like they're like shea butter melted together and put in that, but they are really cute. If you want to be entered in the Lululemon giveaway, just subscribe and comment. Berry lip balm. This is their Juicy Secrets lip balm. So we have their 2 bubble pimple correcting knockout acne spot treatment, and then we have fade away acne spot treatment. These are really good. This one's for like pimples before they show up, and this one's to get rid of the pimples like with a hard punch. So next we have their 2 sunscreens. I'm having to roll by these like 2 at a time because there's so many products. I could literally do a whole video. I actually have done a whole video of just my bubble collection, but I've grown it, so there are some new products in here. Next we have their masks. We have their overnight hydrating sleeping mask for my dry skin girlies. Y'all already know I'm a dry skin girly myself, so welcome to the club. I love this product. So good, especially for the winter. Like, one is this deep dive exfoliating mask. I haven't really tried this but one time because I have to be very careful, like I just said, because my dry skin. Next I have the Bubble Magic Melt Cleanser. I need to get their other new cleansers that they release. I just haven't been able to. I have their regular Fresh Start cleanser. I have it with the Inside Out 2 collaboration and the regular one. Float On Soothing Facial Oil. Can we just give a second for the ASMR? Listen to this. Sorry, but we had to take a second for that. Love this. I don't really use facial oil that much because I don't want it to clog my pores, but when I do use facial oil, I definitely use that. Water Slide Hydration Serum for dry skin. We have the Super Clear Acne Prevention Serum for regular to acne prone skin. Then we have the Moonwalk Exfoliating Serum for oily to combination skin. Then we have the Daydream Serum from Bubble. This, honestly, this is a tone and texture serum. It can be used for discoloration, good things like that. And then finally we have their Morning Ways Brightening Eye Cream. Okie dokie, now we're going to be getting into Byoma. Starting off with my 2 Byoma lip tides. This is the PH lip tide. It's actually what I have on right now, giving me the best glow ever on my lips and making sure it's the right color for me because it changes to your pH level. Then we have the regular, just clear Byoma lip tide. These both smell like candy, and they're only like 14 bucks, maybe, at my local Ulta. I've also seen them sold for $11.99, so y'all go check that out. Definitely recommend these. I'll have all the products I recommend linked down below in the description, and if you're still here, comment down below the teddy bear emoji, because I want to see how many of you guys are actually loyal Bella G's life followers. So let's get into the next Byoma product. Next we have their Viral Hydration Serum. I love this. This is one of my first products. I've repurchased this a lot of times. We have their 2 moisturizers. This is their Rich Moisturizer and this is their Gel Moisturizer. The pink one is for oily to combination skin and the purple one is for dry skin. I'm a Depuff and Brightening Eye Cream. Really, really nice. I wish they'd give me a bigger bottle though, but you don't really need a lot, so it's okay. Then we have their Brightening Toner. I hated this. Nothing to say. It burnt my skin, but that's just me. Then we have their Creaming Jelly Cleanser. I actually really liked this. It didn't break me out and it kept my skin feeling moisturized after I washed twice, so it was really, really good. That was my Byoma collection. It really wasn't a lot, but I used the Byoma products really, really consistently, and so I've had to repurchase them a multitude of times. Let's get into the Drunk Elephant collection. Oof. This took a shot out of my bank account, guys. Starting off first with their Viral Bee Hydra Serum. I can literally take this off and you can see how much I have used out of this. Next we have their Bronzy and Goldie Drops. I don't have the complete set because I've been wanting to buy the Rosy Drops, but I just cannot shell out $40. I just can't. Bee Hydra Serum. Look how cute this is. It's your mama and it's your baby. Oh my goodness. We have their Peptide Moisturizer. I have a big mini and a little mini of this. Honestly, wasn't my favorite. Drunk Elephant's not my favorite brand, but at the same time they have some products that I absolutely die for, and this is one of them. And this is amazing for getting your makeup and hard gunk off your face. You wash with this first, and then you go in with their creaming jelly cleanser. That is the best combination ever. Love it. Okay, I actually threw away my empty bottle of my jelly cleanser, or else I would have that to show you guys as well. We have the virgin marula oil. This was really good, but I'm not an oil girl. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not an oil girly. This has retinol in it. This is the retinol oil. Heck to the no. Like, I do not need retinol. Retinol will ruin my young skin. I want you guys to know that, okay? Then we have my little collection of mini vitamin C serums. One of my most popular videos is me opening it up, and somebody switched it out for maple syrup. So that was fun. It wasn't fun. But then I have a mini Goldie Drops. This was really cute. I really like that. Then we have this Bamboo Booster Exfoliant. That came with the balm, but I haven't really used it. Then we have their TLC Night Serum. This is their Glycolic Night Serum. I think this has retinol in it. I've used it like one time, and it got rid of my pimples like that, but then I used it again, and my face started to burn. So if you're going to use it very, very sparingly. Like one time every 2 weeks or something like that. Then we have their Lippy Balm. This is nothing special. It's just shea butter. And it was a $20 shea butter. So, it's okay. Then we have their sunscreen. This is the worst white cast sunscreen I think I've ever seen. Like, I will bash on these products because, like, they're not worth the money. They're made for oily skin. I have dry skin. And they're made for older people. They're not made for me. So, like, why did I buy them? I wanted to be on the trend. Sometimes being on the trend is not worth spending hundreds of dollars on skincare that you don't need. That's all for today, guys. So make sure to subscribe and comment to be entered in that Lululemon giveaway. I got some fan mail. I cannot wait to unbox it on a live stream or a long video, so y'all stay tuned for that. If you want to send me any fan mail, PR gifts, etc., I have that link down below in the description, as well as that bubble code to get you 10% off on your bubble order and some more things. So y'all stay tuned and have a fantabulous day.